Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Sana Learning AI, which is being called the world's first AI native learning platform. But is it really the first of its kind? And what makes it different from all the other edtech tools out there? Stick around for the full breakdown. So this is sanalabs.com. If you come here on this page, you will see the prompt that says AI for human genius. So let's briefly understand what is Sana Learning AI exactly. So it is basically a platform that helps companies and teams train their employees using artificial intelligence. But it's not just a course creator, it's more like a smart interactive learning assistant. You can ask it questions and it pulls the answers from all your internal documents, and it also help you with your past training material, even company wikis in real time. So instead of searching for the files or waiting for HR to respond, you just ask Sana and get instant help. It also build learning paths automatically based on your skills, your behaviors, and job role. It recommends exactly what you need to learn next. That's where the AI native part comes in. It's not just using AI as a feature, the whole platform runs on it. Sana is being used by the teams at places like Klarna, Merck, and Cry, so it's already got the real world traction. So, is Sana really the first AI learning platform? My recommendation would be that it might be the first fully AI native one built from the ground up, not just a regular LMS with ChatGPT slapped on. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you trust an AI to train your whole team? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.